There's a couple supporters. Soda Center Fire Department. We're at the Wallington Bog and Grog. It's early. It's only 20 after 11. Starts at noon. See who makes it, who don't. Looks pretty slow right now. A lot of tents though. Early comers. Hey, there's a new sign up this year. I haven't seen that one before. General Bog and Grog rules. Awesome. Gotta get this out of the way. You guys can read them. Pause it to read them if you want. Yep. Buffalo Bills. Oh, who's rooting for the Buffalo Bills? That red truck's nasty. That is. I think that's Hot Wheels. He's gonna cut this pit. Cooter's going out back right now. I hear him coming around. Cooter, there you go. Crazy Cooter. Everybody's cheering for him already. Shit sounds nasty. That motor sounds good. like, I gotta try that. So I'm looking at him like, yeah, that was cool. Takes the big equipment to get the big toys out. That Hot Wheels truck sounds badass. Oh, they're yelling at him for jumping. Oh, you know why? Because Lloyd smashed that damn Jeep the last event, and now they probably don't want him doing it. That sucks. One person that not paying attention now ruins it for the rest of the drivers. That blows. Launch is nice, don't it? That's a big truck to launch. He's waiting for this hole to get clear. He wants this hole. He's waiting for Cooter to get out of it. He's gonna rip this hole right up. He'll cut it, no problem. Cooter pulling the bulldozer? Yep. Instead of the bulldozer, oh, raindrops. Just felt one on the back of my neck. Shit, come on, I want a video of this truck going through here first. That's what it looks like up here, guys. It might get rained out. Nice, huh? Always gotta ruin the good day videoing. I gotta get him ripping this pit before I go. No, I know it. S9 creation. Afraid of rolling it. Getting anxious. notice they took the big hill out at the end? I just noticed that. See a big hill down there, it's all gone. I just noticed that. Is this Ed's? It's totally different. What kind of creation this is, I don't know if I like it or not. It's different, I can tell you that. Getting a few sprinkles, but not much. Look at that Jeep up there with a smiley face at the top of a canvas. That's different. We're gonna bring the umbrellas with them, did we? Not even one for us. What were we thinking? Guess we weren't. It lives.